Hello. Another Esteem construction project is going on in Baulkham Hills. It's a beautiful suburb, and here we are opening up the whole house for a client. This house is roughly 60 years old, and we are opening up all the structure walls, renovating 3-4 new bathrooms, kitchen. We are installing a new doors and opening up whole space, creating a new bedroom for the client. So I'll show you the project. The whole idea in a renovation that the place needs to be very open space, and the space need to be flowing, and it should have enough space and very functional space for all the client. If you remove this wall and that wall to open up whole space, this door will convert into from single door to a double door. The first impression for your guest or anyone else is the first entry of the house. Here my two leading hands working, Vivek and Rehan. Hi. Vivek, kindly can you let us know what's the task today, what you're doing?
So we are doing some structural work over here. So with the recommendation of the structural engineer and the advice from our builder, we're putting some beams and opening the wall. So over here we're putting one beam at the top, so we can make the opening over here. Over here we have done one opening over here. We put a LVL 200 by 45 LVL over here with 2 studs over here and 2 studs on the other side.
So we're combining here two rooms to make it a master bedroom, and we are creating a bathroom here on this space. So this is an ensuite bathroom, and that's a master bedroom.
Putting another similar beam at the top, so we can extend, make more room, one big room for the client and two for the better living.
That's excellent. So we are opening up this whole space of living area and kitchen will combine together. Kitchen is the heart of any house. So while a mother is working here, the children are playing over there in front of her, and the family is very inviting, flowing area in a way that they can practically use it and they can enjoy it.